This is the Belden SNS1P6 connector. It works with RG6 cable. To install the connector, insert the cable into the IT1000 tool. Rotate it around the cable. This will slice the jacket and the insulation at the same time. Then slide on your connector. Push it on firmly so that the compression connector attaches fully to the jacket. Then you can trim off any excess center conductor. Insert the cable and connector into the tool and push down. This compresses the connector onto the jacket, giving you a tight and weatherproof connection.